What's up YouTube, Logan here from J5 Studios. Today I'm back at Disney Springs. Hopefully going to be checking out the drone show that they got just like a few weeks ago. They released it, but first I'm going to get something to eat because I'm starving. Maybe check out World of Disney as well. It's pretty late, so yeah, we got like a couple minutes before the drone show starts. Hopefully we can get over to it. But let's go eat some food first. It's kind of busy. I guess I was expecting it to be way more busy than this, especially on a Friday, and all the parks are pretty much closed. I figured this place would be swarmed, but also they may all be over on the west side waiting for the drone show. Not sure I've ever shown this on the channel, but here it is in case you've never seen it. Lego statue. It's always just the best freaking thing ever. Well, I just devoured that sandwich, so now I'm gonna head in here real quick. See if they got anything new in here. They probably don't. Or if they got the Jar Jar hats in here. Probably not. Well, they got this guy. That guy right there. Yep, that guy. Oh, they do have these. This is where I got that Ray when I actually wanted Beck. I still have a Ray. I think this is new. It actually lights up and stuff. I do not remember this. This is definitely new. New to me, I guess. Oh, you know what? I was going to turn it over, but I'm pretty sure that's the back, so... Right? No, it's not. It's got a back. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it lights up and stuff. That's cool. I think this is new. Oh yeah, it's definitely a vibe out here now. Plenty of people, lots going on. We're gonna head into the World of Disney here. Is Stitch spitting? Maybe not this late. I don't know. I think it's actually, it's actually a clock. How about that? Lumiere here too. Boy, if there was ever an appropriate mug. Good old beaker. 30th anniversary Lion King stuff. We got Hakuna Matata ears right here. Loungefly shirts. It's kind of hard to believe this movie's 30 years old. Is that a shoulder Zazu? I think that's a shoulder Zazu. Look at this. That is a shoulder Zazu. Zazu? Zazu. That's cool. What are you doing here?
Well, my camera is detecting Scar as the face. It is locked on to Scar. Weird. These are like the old Kenner figures. That's what they used to look like. I also had a piggy bank that kind of looked like this, and they'd move around. Okay, it's freaking broken. What about you? You work? Hey, you work. Yeah. And then he would hit his head, and R2's little face would move around. I had a piggy bank just like this. Hey, everybody. Buy my stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have enough room in my luggage, but I love these slippers so much. They're so cool. And for 30 bucks, that's not too bad. For 30 bucks, you can have Mickey feet. Mickey shoes? Mickey feet? Mickey shoes? Mickey shoes.
Kind of like this tank top here. Old Mickey's just chilling. Chilling Mickey. They also got all the play in the park stuff over here, which is kind of new. It's kind of been here for a minute. This usually they change this section out for various things in here. Right now it's play in the park. Got some more of the shoulder plushies here. Got the little guy from Raya. I'm sorry, I don't know his name. I also don't know if that's Chip or Dale. But look at this. Look at this little guy. Isn't his name Chip? You get a chip on your shoulder right there. And also Chip and Dale. You can have 2 chips on your shoulder. You can have multiple chips on your shoulder. Only at World of Disney can you do that. I was gonna head in the Lego store and there was a giant line, so that's not gonna happen. I'm gonna grab some sweets and enjoy the evening from the old vegan bakery, Eric McKinney, McKinnon, Malkala, Malanamana Vegan Bakery. Got all sorts of good stuff in here. Plenty to choose from. Who knows what I'll pick? These cupcakes are delicious though. I don't know. This kind of looks like it might be a carrot one. It looks good. Alright. Got some sweet treats here. Got like a whoopie pie looking thing, some cupcakes. Now we're gonna check out the drone show. Let's go hurry up and get over there quick.
Space station. Wings reporting.
Good 5 standing by. Watch that crossfire, boys.
Max, wings. Thrusters. Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by. Dance off, bro.
Those who dance, those who need not.
right, and just like that, drone show's over with. Super cool, super awesome. Definitely recommend checking out that drone show if you're in the Disney Springs area. You got some time to kill in the evenings. 100% drone show is worth it. Come check it out. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video walking around Disney Springs late on a Friday, catching the drone show. Pretty cool, pretty entertaining. Like, subscribe, all that bull crap. Till next time.